Hello, everyone. I'm Nick. I'm the Enterprise Support Manager at HeyGen. So it's a pleasure to welcome each of you to our webinar today. Whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening for you, I hope you're ready for an insightful session today. Let's make this a great experience together. And before we start, I would like to mention that everyone who's looking for like the 5 free credits, I will send a link later through this chat that everyone can apply to this and will get the 5 free credits today. So I would say let's start right away, because I would like to be very excited today, and I would like to start with our first feature, the avatar, because we are talking today about HeyGen Avatar Enterprise and HeyGen video translation for enterprise customer. So if you have any questions, meanwhile through this webinar, just let me know and I will get back to you soon later on. So we will have an Q&A, and I hope I will answer a lot of questions, because as an enterprise support manager at HeyGen, it is my job to help you with several of different kind of questions. And we will get a lot even for like future features we will offer, but I will get back later to this. Let's get started. I will share my screen, and then yes. So first, we will start with our interface from HeyGen. So if you are on the enterprise plan, you will have several options to create your own personalized instant avatar. So we call it instant avatar. We have 3 different levels of avatars. So the first is instant avatar. Then we have the instant fine-tune avatar, and we have the studio avatar. The studio avatar is just available for the enterprise customers. So I will get back to this. Let's start with the instant avatar. So our instant avatar, like you see, you can record yourself like for a 2-minute record of your smartphone, or even in a professional setup. And we just need around, I would say 20 to 30 minutes to generate your instant avatar. And then you can use it, and you can type in with text and can create a lot of nice educational and training videos. Because the most companies who are reaching us is like they are looking for easier and better solutions to create training videos, educational videos, and we would like to make sure that we have like an easier and user-friendly interface to use this. So we have like the option to create this instant avatar. The next feature is like instant fine-tune avatar. You will see here. So the instant fine-tune avatar is more advanced. So what does it mean? You will get like an even better resolution of your avatar, even of the video you are providing and you're creating. And also you can speak more languages with this instant avatar. Every avatar, because I have this question very often from our potential clients, and even for our actually clients, it's like the frame rate. So for the instant avatars, we have a 25 FPS frame rate. So I think it's an important thing to know. But to be honest, this is a very, very good quality. So if you don't, if someone really don't know you, they will not really recognize that this is not you. So this is like an avatar. So this is pretty cool. And for the enterprise customer, we have the studio avatar. And the studio avatar is the most advanced technology so far in this market. And this studio avatar comes even with a 60 FPS frame rate. So it looks very natural if you're creating videos with your studio avatar. For sure, we need like a professional setup, like a green screening setup. We need like around 4 to 5 minutes footage from you, And we also need around 3 to 5 working days to train your studio avatar that it looks more natural. And even we will train your voice as well. So this is like the two things we will do. Also, we could do is like we could change the outfit. But first, I would like to show you more about our interface features, because you are also able to use our photo avatars. So you can upload a photo of even like a character or yourself, and they will speak. So I will give you like a sneak peek to this here, for example. So we could create like a video with this avatar in our interface, and you can just type your text in, and then the avatar photo will speak. But I think I will do a showcase later on. I think it's a better way to give you more information. So another like a big question is, okay, Nick, could we use our own brand kits for like a PowerPoint presentation or anything? And the answer is for sure yes. So in this folder, like the asset folder, you can upload your own brand kits. So this means you can create for your own company or for clients or whatever, your own logos, your own colors. Also, you can add images and videos. And then you can use it if you want to create a video. Something I would like to mention is, because it's a very important thing for enterprise customer, if you're working in a team. So you are able with this enterprise setup to create more spaces. So at this moment here, for this example, I don't have like any members, but you can create like memberships, and you could invite like your space members, and then you can also like give them everyone a role, right? So like a super admin or developer, creator or viewer. So this is, I think this is a important thing, because if you're working in a team and you have like with the enterprise package more seats, it's a very important thing to give everyone like an own space to create. But this doesn't mean that someone can't use any instant avatar or studio avatar. So everyone is able, if you give him access, to create videos with the even instant avatar or the studio avatar. So also, I just would like to mention this shortly. So it's all like a single sign-on. So everything is protected, but you could for sure ask us as a support manager to explain you more about this. But security is a big thing for us, and we would like to make sure that everything fits for your needs. So I would say let's create a video, right? So first, before you start, you can choose like, do you want to have a landscape optic or like a portrait optic? You could also generate a script before you're doing this. And you could also here import your own PowerPoint presentation or your own PDF. So for example, if you have something on your computer, I will see if I have something here. You could open this, and it will take around like I would say 20 to 30 seconds. It really depends on how big your file is. And then you can add this as well to your like video you want to produce, right? So let's wait a bit, but I think it's important to show you everything in real time, because it's very transparent and honest. So this is like my PowerPoint presentation I just choose. It's just like an example. So like I said, you can use your own, and then you can see like the different PowerPoint presentation here. So, and then you are able to even create videos from our own provided studio avatars, because we have a lot of avatars, and we will add, to be honest, a few more in the next coming weeks with new faces, with more international as well. But I think we already have a very good library of our studio avatars, and then you can just choose one. Let's choose her. So, and then you will see with the studio avatars, for sure, you can remove the background. And even because I forgot this in the first time, if you're doing like the instant fine-tune avatar, so this is an additional cost, yes, but if you're choosing this, it would take like around 8 hours to create your instant fine-tune avatar. So every one of you is able to do this. And then you can also remove the background, right? So it's a very important thing for everyone. So you can do this. And then we can play around with. So you could even like face drop is one feature. We could also like have a close up. We could also have like a circle view, right? So the next thing is two things. So we can provide text to this avatar. This is one thing. We could also upload an audio script. So I think it would like be even more natural, right? So it depends on what your needs are and how you would like to do it. We can have this, and then we can type in your text. So the next step is, because a lot of people get something wrong, I guess. So the video translation, so our other tool, you could use it for this kind of videos as well. But to make sure that this is understandable to everyone, you can deliver like a fine-tuned avatar and a studio avatar, different type of languages. And we are providing you GPT-4 in our system. So we have this script here. So you can even change the language here right away. So you don't have to use any like a tool again. So I will come later to the video translation, but for now we could say like, okay, provide me this text in Spanish. So, and then the GPT-4 script writer will translate this text to Spanish. We could also choose like if we would like to have a shorter or like a longer or like more professional or more engaging text, right? And then we can add this here. So, and then you will see we have the Spanish text as well. And if you would like to know, okay, how does it sound? We have two options here. Every avatar will have their own voice as well, right? But you could also choose from our provided languages. You will also have the ability to integrate your own API key from 11 Labs if you want to. If you're still using this and you have already some trained voices in your 11 Labs, then you can put your API key in here, and then you have the chance to use the languages as well. So if you would like to have a preview of the sound, then you can press this button.
Bienvenido a la nueva era de creación de vídeo con HeyGen. Simplemente escribe tu guión para comenzar.
So, and this is like one example on how you can use this. So also what you can do is like we are providing you like elements, right? So you could easily add some background music here. You could like easily upload any video or images or even like sticker icons. So we are providing a lot of things, but we are developing, and we will add every month new stuff to our avatar feature here from HeyGen. And also we are working on new templates. So we are adding more and more templates. I think we have around like 200 or even 300 different type of templates you can use. So you could easily choose like, for example, this, and then you have your avatar here. One more thing I would like to mention is like the studio avatar. So the studio avatar is also able to change the outfit. So even if you are providing us a studio avatar, you can change the clothes, right? So imagine we have, so if you're creating your studio avatar, you will see it here. And then we can, change the outfit from, maybe let's choose Taylor, and we want to have like a cabin coat. And then, we can do this. So I will show you this because I think it's a very cool feature, to be honest. Let's see what we can do here. Let's choose this. So it doesn't matter. It's just like a showcase right now. So it takes around 30 to 60 seconds, but I think it's a good point even for companies, because there is one thing I would like to show you after the AI outfit, give us some examples, because you can personalize this as well. So what does it mean is you could put your own logo to your outfit. So it's really, really cool feature. And I think hopefully I can show you this in a bit, but it should be ready. Yeah, so there we can change the outfit. So now we have like 4 examples. If we don't like it, we can refresh everything. We could even like switch the avatar itself, or we can add a logo. So if you have like your branding logo and you want to put it here on this jacket, then it's not a problem. You are able to use this. So imagine we want to use this. We can press save easily, and then you see, okay, we are able to use our new AI outfit studio avatar right away here, right? So this is a very exciting feature. It just comes with the studio avatar, so it's not available for instant avatars or even instant fine-tune avatars. So this is a feature from our studio avatars. Okay, so I think this is it. Just a quick overview of our interface for our content creation avatar. And like I said, the most companies using this for training videos, educational videos, even onboarding or updates. So there are a lot of use cases. You can have a look through your own company and how you can use it. You can even ask us, because what we would like to mention is we are working with so many fantastic clients at the moment, and everyone has like a lot of nice ideas for their company. But even our team, like we are using this whole technique as well, right? So we have as well a lot of use cases for you. So don't be shy, just ask us how we could do this, how we could do that, how we could improve this strategy or this workflow. So we will help you to make a session with you, to give you even more like suitable and more individual ideas and examples for your own company. But at the moment, I have to speak like for everyone. So I think, this is how it works at the moment. So one thing I would like to mention, and I will send you a link through this chat right now, is also like the API usage. So we have 2 new APIs. We are already in beta testing, but I would like to announce this now. We have one API, it calls real-time API. The real-time API, you have to think like, okay, I'm creating a studio avatar and I have already a chatbot on my web page. So how about if you could provide the next step in kind of chatbot technology, and your customer could have a completely new experience and show up at your web page using your chatbot, and they're typing text, and the response is not just a text, it's like your branding company avatar, and they will speak to the customer. So this is a completely new technology. We are very thrilled to announce this, that this is now available for the beta test. So if you want to apply to this, and give us like a survey on our Typeform. I think the link is already in the chat. So yeah, I would like to be very happy to discuss how the future for the real-time API looks like and what to expect, how to use. Because the most question is always like, okay, but how get the AI like my knowledge? So yeah, we will have a way to add your own branding details, everything what is necessary for your like customers on the first level support. So we will find a way, and we already have a way to help you out. But please contact us, and we would love to speak about this. And the next API is like personalized emails, right? So I think, you know, if you apply to our webinar, there was like, I would say 2 minutes later, there was an email. And in this email, there was a video from our CEO and co-founder, Joshua. And this was like a personalized. It says like, hi, Nick, thanks for joining our webinar. We are excited to see you. And this is also available right now to our customers. Also, like, please fill up the type form, and we would love to speak about how you could use it for your own reasons and for your own needs in your company. So yeah, I'm very thrilled because we have a lot more features coming. And one question I would like to answer right away, because a big topic is always like emotions on avatars, right? So we are working on a very cool feature. Very soon we would like to launch this, but it's not like any specific date right now. But it could be very fun to give like the avatar more emotions, or even like some commands. So stay tuned. But if we release this to everyone, yeah, we will do a big announcement to this. Yeah, I'm very happy to this, because it's a very cool feature for our avatars, right? So it's always like a good feature to be like part of our enterprise clients, because you will also get the first beta testing right away. So we need your feedback to get even better and better with our technology to improve this. So next step is like video translation, right? So this is like a feature from our HeyGen labs. And I want to say, okay, how to use video translation. Video translation is for like, you could create like new videos and translate this to different kind of languages, or you could also use your on-demand videos. So imagine you have like a lot of training videos in your portfolio. You have a lot of educational videos, and the problem is it is just one language. Maybe it's just in Spanish, it is just in French or German, or in Italian or whatever. You are now able to use our video translation for enterprise, and even for a longer duration. So this is the main part for our enterprise customer here. And you are able to translate this kind of videos in different kind of languages. And this is pretty cool, because imagine you are a company. It's not just about like customers, it's also about your own organization, your own companies, because you have so many offices around the world. So how about to do it one time in one language and then send it to everyone, but in their specific language? So this would be a very nice an efficient way to get your informations to your own and other organizations around the world, and even for customers, for sure. So what is the main part of our like video translation for enterprise? So you can upload your video here. So for enterprise, we are not limiting you. So if your video duration, even like 40 minutes or 60 minutes, 2 hours, 4 hours, so even 10 hours, we can translate this with our tool right now. And one more questions from our enterprise clients is always, okay, what is the output resolution? So if you on the enterprise package and you provide us like a 4K resolution video, you will receive a 4K resolution video, right? So I just want to make sure that you know this. And as well, then the next step is like choose a different kind of language, right? So we are providing now, I think, 22 languages, and we are developing this. So we don't have like any technical issues. So we are just waiting for the request from you. So please, if you want to see a new language, just let us know. We would love to put more languages in our tool. So, and after you did this, our newest feature is multiple speakers. So imagine you are uploading a video, but there's not just one person to view and to see, there's two people. So you want to make sure that everyone is keeping their voice and the accent. So you can make sure here that every speaker in this video will keep their own voice. So this is a very nice feature. It's working pretty well. And yeah, we are very thrilled to have this as a feature. And then we have two options: translate the video with lip synchronization, or even like translate only the audio. So it really up to you. If you have like a voiceover, nobody's to see, you could also use our technology. But HeyGen is still our understanding is like video, right? So we are in charge with all the video technology, and so yeah, we are for sure like for the lip synchronization, like the right tool, right? Before you're spending now credits and you want to make sure, okay, how is the output? So this is like, I would say, the biggest request from every enterprise customer so far. So generate proofread. So uploading a video, you don't have to spend your credits, and then you can proofread the transcript in the new languages. So there are now two features. One feature is you can do it on your own, right? So if you're in charge with the target language, you can correct it, delete it, or whatever. So if forces is like not the correct word, you can delete it. You can add new things here, and then you can save it and translate the video. A different type is like, okay, what about if my colleague is like in Spain and has no access to my account? You can download the proofread here. You could send it to her or to him. He could proofread this as well. He could make some changes, and then you can upload the proofread again. So then you can make sure that everything is like 100% under your control, and then the AI will do like the lip synchronization as well. So this is like, yeah, a big future for everyone. And now the question is, okay, Nick, what is if we already have the videos and we already have the transcript? What we are doing? So we have this for sure as well. So you can upload your own SRT files, your ASS files here. So it's a very good feature. Right now, I have to be honest, it is more for the input language, just to give the AI the correct wording. But please stay tuned, because I think there is something in the pipeline even for the target language if you already have your transcript translated in different kind of languages, right? So I would like to give you, so this is me, this is French, right? Because I would like to show you one trick now, how you can make sure that the sound is also like for maybe the branding correct. So my input video was in English. So, and here you can see the AI was telling, I would say, HeyGen, I don't know, but the output is like this. Okay, we have to choose. So there's not my voice. So we will do it again.
Salut à tous. Je suis Nick, le directeur des ventes chez HeyGen. Je suis prêt à annoncer notre dernière vidéo de traduction pour les clients professionnels.
So, HeyGen, I mean, our name is HeyGen, right? So what we have to do, so for branding names, there's a good trick. So please put it in verticals. So let's do it here. So we put it in verticals. The AI knows, okay, this is a branding name. We put HeyGen to this, and let's see how the output is.
Salut à tous. Je suis Nick, le directeur des ventes chez HeyGen. Je suis prêt à annoncer notre dernière vidéo de traduction pour les clients professionnels.
So what is the thing here if we don't want to have like it's a name, but you don't have to translate this. So imagine like the name is Deutschland. So how does it sound?
Salut à tous. Je suis Nick, le directeur des ventes chez Deutschland. Je suis prêt à annoncer notre dernière vidéo de traduction pour les clients professionnels.
So I just would like to show you like how to this kind of trick, because it's a big question to how to modify it, like the pronouncing of some words. But we will, if you reach to us out, we will give you more tips and tricks how to make sure that the word is more on point, because we have the same with we and you in English. So yeah, we will love to show you even more tricks. So yeah, here we could also have like a look through this video how like the avatar is, like how I can speak maybe Spanish.
Hola a todos, soy Nick, soy el gerente de ventas en HeyGen y estoy dispuesto a anunciar nuestra última actualización, video de traducción para clientes empresariales. Esta nueva función permite a los clientes editar el guión de traducción, asegurando un producto final más pulido.
So you can see that we have like, you don't really just have to speak to the camera. So you can have like a face angle, like 45 degrees is already available. Even 70 degrees is working. So you can speak to this and the lip synchronization is still working. So yeah, I think this is everything for today. So I will share now the link with the 5 free credits. So please fill up this form up, and you will receive in your HeyGen account the 5 free credits. And also, if you want to, get more in touch with our enterprise features and for sure like how the pricing is, please let us know, because I think there are a lot of requests we will get hopefully and help you to onboard you at HeyGen. And now I think we should answer some questions, right? So I will have a look. So how about if you want to provide me some questions now. So what form? So I think there is like some links now in the in here. If not, you can always reach to us out at enterprise@heygen.com, but always like also at our webpage. So there is the enterprise, and then you can reach to us out like contact sales, and then we will get in touch with you. So is there any like other questions? I will have a look. Oh yeah, there's a good question, a very good question. So do you guys do captions on these videos? Yes, we would like to add something very soon. This means you can add like your subtitles to the target language, and also like this fancy, I would say TikTok caption words. We are working on something, but nothing to announce right now. But we are working on a lot of very exciting stuff for the next couple of weeks. And yeah, we will for sure announce this to our social channels. So please follow us at X, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We also have a big Discord community. So if you have more questions and you need some support, please feel free to join us at our Discord. I will send a link through this channel as well to the chat. And yeah, so we're very glad to see you there. And like I said, I will have a look if we have maybe one more questions or anything for the language. Yeah, good question. So if you want to see more languages at HeyGen, please feel free to reach to us out, because we just need more feedback from you, more requests. And then we are seeing, okay, like Norway or like Swahili or like a new Hindi language. We would love to add this, but please reach to us out and say, we want to have this. Okay. Any other questions? Any chance of camera movement? So we are working on something very soon, even for the avatars, but it's, yeah, for sure, it's nothing to announce right now. But yeah, it's a good question also. There's a good security question. So is it allowed to create avatars for other people? So every time you have the consent for the people and from the person who's speaking and want to create a studio avatar. If you have the consent, yes. If not, no. And we are not do any like anything. This is a security thing, and we are very concerned that we're not like do stupid things here. So no, this is not allowed. But if you have like the consent, for sure, yes. Yeah, can you help me to convince my boss to give me access to this new tool? Yeah, so you should book like a video meeting with us, and we will try to explain once again what the benefit of our tool is. So will a test package be available? So what do you mean like by test package be available? So for enterprise customer, please reach to us out. We will find always a way to give you access to test something out. So no problem. So please, yeah, reach to us out. Yeah. So one more here is because how I remove background from my instant avatar. So for the instant avatar itself, it's not possible. But if you do like the fine tune, then it's really, really, yeah, it's good working. So after 8 hours, you will receive your fine tune instant avatar, and you can remove the background. So yes, it is working. Okay, could you run like 1,000 webinars and give us 5,000 minutes? Yeah, so I see we have a very, very cool community here. So it was a pleasure to tell you more about like the enterprise features. I think we will see us next week, hopefully. And then, yeah, I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Have a good night wherever you are around the world. And yeah, so thank you so much. And have a good one. Bye-bye.